Welcome. Here's the deal. I'm not here to waste your time. And I certainly hope you're not here to waste mine. I'm going to keep this short. Become an employee of this firm, and you'll make $1 million within the first 3 years. Let me repeat that for you. You become an employee of this firm, and you'll make $1 million within the first 3 years. Okay, I'm joking. I'm not. I am a millionaire. It's a weird thing to hear, right? I tell you what, it's a weird thing to say. I am a fucking millionaire. And guess how old I am? 27. You know what that makes me here? A senior fucking citizen. This firm comprises of people of your age, not mine. Lucky for me, I happen to be really fucking good at my job, so they don't fire me. But you guys are the new blood, the future big swinging dicks of the firm. Now you all look money hungry to me. It's a good thing. Because anyone who tells you money is the root to all evil doesn't fucking have any. You tell them money can't buy you happiness, look at the smile on my face. Ear to ear, baby. You want details? Fine. I drive a Ferrari, own a ridiculous mansion in the center of town, and I have every toy that you can only imagine right now. Now you know what the possibilities are. Let me tell you what's required. You are required to work your fucking ass off in this firm. This firm hires winners, not losers. Losers walk out at the first bell. Losers ask for vacation time in their first year. Vacation time is one reason, and one reason only why you work here, is to become filthy fucking rich. You want vacation time? Fuck off and teach third grade. A word about being a trainee here. Your parents, your friends, are the brokers. They're going to give you a lot of shit. But do not listen to them. Because once you pass the test, sky's the limit. Your friends are shit. You tell them you made 25 grand last month, they'll see you're bullshitting. Fuck him. Fuck him. Mom and dad don't like the lifestyle you're leading? Fuck you, mom and dad. See how you feel when you make the mortgage payments. Now I want you all to go home and really think about this. Think if this is really what you want. And if it's not, that's fine. Nothing to be embarrassed about. It's really not for everyone. But if this is what you really want, and I mean what you really fucking want, don't speak to me. Just don't waste my fucking time. That's it.
Tom, did you put the Christmas tree back in the attic? And the plastic Santa?
He's back in the garage. So is Frosty and the door.
And the lights?
Yeah, I took them down. I know why you have to make such a big deal about them.
Because it's July, Tom. Tom, I thought you said you took the lights down.
I did. I just thought I put them someplace else.
What have you done to the driveway?
I thought you could use some extra light when you park your car in the garage at night.
Really? A landing strip with arrows?
But you can use a little help.
Tom, the space shuttle could land there.
Yeah. Cool, eh?
No, not cool. Our garage looks like something out of a sci-fi movie.
I was going for a space shuttle docking bay.
Tom, the neighbors think we're nuts to begin with. What is wrong with you?
I was thinking about you. You could use a little help.
Wait, is there something wrong with the way I drive?
No, you're an excellent driver. Parking that needs a little.
Excuse me?
You have to admit you're a little spatially challenged.
What is wrong with the way I park?
You're always parked strangely in the driveway, either on one side or the other. I mean, today you were parked right at the middle at an angle. I mean, it's like watching somebody throw darts blindfolded. I never know where you're going to stick it.
No, I'll tell you where I'm going to stick it.
All women have trouble parking.
Do you want me to hurt you?
Documented signs.
Really? Because I was thinking.
I mean, it's men are better at parking because, you know, you have better sense of distance and space. Men are better at parking because they have better aim.
Aim? Oh, I was thinking I should put some Christmas tree lights around that toilet seat. Or maybe I should put some Christmas tree lights around the laundry basket. Better still, I should put some Christmas tree lights around here.
Hey, that only happened once and I was medicated.
Lose the lights. This docking bay, buddy, is closed.